उसका ट्रेन ट्रेन ट्रेन।
Luke, what kind of train was that?
Amtrak.
Amtrak what?
Amtrak. That's all I know.
Cascades, man.
Amtrak Cascades.
You're good. All right, you coming down?
Nick, can you put this in your pocket?
What is it?
A crab leg and a crab pincher.
You got a pincher? Let me see. You got a pincher and a leg. Dang, dude, that's sick. All right, let's roll. What's that?
I want to go in the water.
All right, let's go.
You got boots.
What kind of cars are those?
I don't know. On YouTube, one guy said it, but I can't remember the name.
Where is it? see, bro.
The end! The end!
Yeah. That was a shorty.
Nate,
Yeah.
what were those like red and white ones for?
I don't know. That was just a different color scheme.
And
That
the
was cool.
black one- And the black and the white.
Yeah, that was awesome. Let's go get another. Yeah.
Nate, that black CN is that be yeah, I saw CN car.
Yeah, CN oil tanker, right? Or
The CN
a car.
it's called the box car.
Oh, box car, yeah.
Kind of a different box. Oh yeah, box
Sick, dude.
car. Nate, Nate, go play on the playground. Nate, that